In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Shopify settings to ensure your store is running smoothly. Whether you're just getting started or you're looking to refine your business operations, understanding how to manage your Shopify settings is essential. It streamlines your workflow and helps provide a seamless customer experience. Let's dive right in. First, you want to open your preferred web browser and head over to your Shopify admin page. You'll typically find this in your bookmarks if you're managing your store regularly, or you can type it directly into the search bar. Once you're there, you'll see a menu on the left side of your screen. The first thing you'll need to do is locate the Home option, which is where we're going to start our journey today. Think of this page as your dashboard. It gives you a snapshot of your store's performance and pending tasks. Next, let's look for Settings, which is crucial as it houses all the back-end options your store requires. You'll find the Settings button at the lower end of your left-hand menu. Clicking this brings you to a new area that lays out all the areas you can adjust, from general preferences to payment providers. And now, let's specifically look at the checkout settings. The checkout section is pivotal because this is where your customers will complete their purchases. And the smoother this process is, the more likely you are to convert browsing into buying. Click on Checkout in the Settings tab. Here, you'll see options for configuring how customers make purchases, what information they need to provide, and how much control they have over reviewing their orders. Once inside Checkout, we'll need to delve a little deeper into configurations. Find the Configuration section within the Checkout settings and give that a click. This part allows you to fine-tune the experience to suit your customer base best. You have control over whether accounts are optional or required, how customer information is captured, and how orders are processed post-purchase. Taking the time to go through these settings with care is important. Consider your customer journey and workflows to ensure clarity and efficiency. Remember, if shoppers get frustrated during checkout, there's a chance they might abandon their cart. As someone venturing into online sales, or even if you're seasoned, tailoring these options to fit your brand identity and customer expectations is key. And there you have it, a straightforward walkthrough of accessing and modifying your Shopify checkout settings. Keeping your backend organized and customer-friendly means fewer headaches down the line and happier shoppers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave any questions you may have in the comments below. Happy selling!